Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to unpair Bluetooth device from our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. To do it, we have to go to the settings menu, here, connections. In connections, we have our Bluetooth option. We can simply turn off Bluetooth, but to unpair our device, we have to go here and look for paired devices. Now, how to unpair it? We tap this cog little here, and at the bottom we have unpair option. We simply tap it once, yes, 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 unpair, and now our devices are disconnected. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.